Every single day, millions of Canadian cat owners walk into PetSmart, Pet Value, or their local grocery store, reach for a familiar bag or can of cat food, and feel good about it. The packaging looks clean. The label says complete and balanced. Maybe there's a happy cat on the front, and you think, yeah, this is fine. But what if some of the most popular brands sitting on Canadian shelves right now, brands you've probably bought, brands your neighbors swear by, are quietly doing damage to your cat's kidneys, liver, and urinary tract? Not immediately, not obviously, but slowly, meal by meal, over months and years. Here's what makes this even more alarming. Canada's pet food industry operates in a regulatory gray zone. According to reporting by Global News, pet food safety and hygiene in Canada are left almost entirely to the manufacturers themselves. There is no single federal body with direct oversight authority over domestic pet food quality the way the FDA oversees it in the United States. That means some of what's sitting on Canadian shelves would raise serious eyebrows if it were held to stricter standards. So today we're doing the work that nobody else is doing for you. We've dug through ingredient lists, vet forums, consumer complaints, and pet nutrition research to bring you the 8 worst cat food brands you can find in Canada right now. And at the end, we're giving you 2 genuinely trustworthy alternatives, including one that's proudly made right here in Canada. Stay until the end, because number 1 on our worst list is a brand that's been marketed as premium for years. And the truth about what's actually inside it will genuinely surprise you. Number 8. Meow Mix Original Choice. Meow Mix is one of the most recognized cat food brands sold across Canada. You'll find it at PetSmart Canada, Walmart, and grocery chains nationwide. The bright packaging and catchy branding have made it a household name for decades. But here's what the marketing doesn't tell you. According to ingredient analysis by pet nutrition researchers and consumer advocates, the formula lists ground corn, soybean meal, and ground wheat among its first several ingredients. Cats are obligate carnivores. Their bodies are biologically built to run on animal protein, not carbohydrates. Plant-based fillers like corn and soy don't just fail to nourish cats, they can actively work against them over time. Consumer complaints and cat care forums consistently flag Meow Mix for contributing to dull, brittle coats and chronic digestive issues. The formula also reportedly contains artificial dyes and a vague ingredient listed as animal digest, an industry term for a flavor additive derived from heavily processed, unspecified animal material. Based on findings, Meow Mix remains one of the lowest-ranked formulas among independent pet nutrition assessors. The name recognition is real. The nutritional quality is not. If this is in your cart, it's worth reconsidering. Number 7. Purina Friskies Dry Kibble. Friskies Dry Cat Food is a Nestlé Purina product widely stocked across Canada, including at PetSmart Canada, and is often one of the cheapest dry options on the shelf. Many Canadian households use it as a daily staple food. According to independent ingredient evaluations, Friskies dry formulas frequently lead with ground yellow corn, corn gluten meal, and poultry byproduct meal. Poultry byproduct meal is a rendered ingredient that, according to AFCO definitions, can legally include carcass parts beyond muscle meat, feet, intestines, and undisclosed organs. The quality of what goes into byproduct meal is, according to industry reporting, highly variable batch to batch. Additionally, Friskies products have historically contained synthetic dyes, red 40, yellow 5, blue 2, which serve no nutritional purpose whatsoever. Cats don't care what color their kibble is. Those colors are there for you, the human buyer. According to research reviewed by several pet nutrition platforms, these dyes have been flagged for potential links to sensitivity and inflammatory responses in some animals, and as a dry food, Friskies contributes zero moisture to your cat's diet. A significant concern given that feline urinary and kidney health depends heavily on hydration. Takeaway: cheap at the shelf, potentially expensive in the long run when vet bills are factored in. Number 6. Special Kitty, Walmart Canada. Special Kitty is the store brand cat food sold exclusively at Walmart Canada. It's one of the most affordable options in the country, and that price point makes it understandably tempting, especially for multi-cat households. The ingredient list, however, reads like a warning label. Corn, wheat middlings, and soybean meal dominate the formula, filler ingredients that cats simply cannot efficiently metabolize. Vet and pet nutrition communities consistently identify Special Kitty as one of the worst dry food options available to Canadian consumers. Independent consumer databases have repeatedly ranked it at the bottom of nutritional quality assessments. According to consumer reports and forum discussions from Canadian pet owners, long-term Special Kitty feeding has been associated with poor stool quality, chronic soft stools, low energy, and deteriorating coat condition. There have also been past recall incidents connected to the brand's US manufacturing chain involving contamination concerns. As at the time of making this video, reports suggest quality control remains a persistent concern with this product line. Takeaway: the lowest price point in the aisle often reflects the lowest quality in the bowl. Your cat deserves better. Number 5. Whiskas Dry Cat Food. Whiskas is a Mars Incorporated brand with enormous global marketing spend behind it. In Canada, it's heavily advertised and found at virtually every major grocery retailer and pet store. Parents often buy it simply because they've seen the commercials their entire lives. According to multiple independent ingredient analyses reviewed as at the time of making this video, the dry Whiskas formula leads with ground corn and corn gluten meal, carbohydrates that inflate the total protein percentage without delivering the animal-based amino acids cats actually need. The result is a food that looks adequate on paper but fails cats at a biological level. Whiskas also reportedly uses vague ingredient listings like meat and poultry derivatives in some formulations, language that gives manufacturers flexibility on exactly what goes in. That lack of transparency is a significant red flag. Neutered male cats are particularly vulnerable here. The combination of high carb content, low moisture, and poor protein quality creates exactly the conditions associated with urinary crystal formation and blockages, a potentially fatal condition that is also one of the most common and expensive cat health emergencies in Canada. Takeaway: don't let decades of commercials convince you that marketing equals nutrition. They're not the same thing. Number 4. Purina Cat Chow Original. Purina Cat Chow Original is one of the top-selling dry cat foods in Canada, marketed as affordable everyday nutrition and stocked widely at Walmart, Canadian Tire, and grocery chains. The Purina name carries significant brand trust among Canadian consumers. But independent reviews of the formula tell a different story. According to pet nutrition analysts, Cat Chow Original leads with chicken byproduct meal as its primary protein, followed almost immediately by whole grain corn, soy flour, and whole grain wheat. As noted by researchers, chicken byproduct meal is the result of heavily processing chicken carcass material, and the nutrient consistency of the resulting ingredient varies significantly. When corn, soy, and wheat dominate the carbohydrate profile, the overall formula becomes far more appropriate for grain-eating omnivores than for obligate carnivores. Synthetic dyes also appear in cat chow: red 40, blue 2, yellow 5, none of which provide any benefit to the cat. And as a dry-only kibble with minimal moisture content, long-term feeding raises meaningful concerns around kidney health. According to findings available as at the time of making this video, Purina Cat Chow ranks poorly across multiple independent cat food evaluation frameworks. Takeaway: this is your reminder that trust the brand and trust the ingredients are not always the same thing. We're halfway through the list, and it only gets worse from here. Coming up, a brand that has been marketed as premium and health-focused for years. You might have it in your home right now. Stay with us. Number 3. IAMS Proactive Health. IAMS Proactive Health positions itself as a step above the budget brands, a health-forward product sold at PetSmart Canada and other retailers at a mid-range price point. Many Canadian cat owners specifically buy it believing they're making a responsible, health-conscious choice. The brand's health-focused branding doesn't fully hold up under scrutiny. According to ingredient analysis by pet nutrition reviewers, several IAMS dry formulas rely on cornmeal and sorghum as primary carbohydrate sources, neither of which is species-appropriate for cats. The chicken byproduct meal used as the protein base raises the same concerns as with other brands: inconsistent quality and reduced bioavailability compared to whole muscle meat. According to recall history databases reviewed as at the time of making this video, IAMS has faced past recall incidents involving contamination concerns including salmonella and aflatoxin, a mold-produced toxin. Repeated safety issues from a brand that positions itself as premium nutrition are a meaningful red flag for Canadian consumers who are trusting the label. Independent cat food databases consistently score IAMs below consumer expectations for a mid range product. Takeaway: a higher price and a health forward label don't automatically mean the formula inside is better for your cat. Number 2, 9 Lives Daily Essentials. 9 Lives is sold across Canada through pet stores and grocery retailers. It's budget priced, widely available, and has decades of brand recognition. Most Canadians have seen it on shelves their entire lives. According to independent formula analysis, 9 Lives lists corn, wheat, and soybean meal among its leading ingredients, with real meat appearing far down the list. In one widely reviewed dry formula, actual identifiable meat is reportedly listed as the 7th ingredient. That means your cat is eating mostly carbohydrates dressed up as a protein meal. The amino acid profile that results from this formula is inadequate for maintaining lean muscle mass in cats over time. 9 Lives also reportedly includes titanium dioxide as a coloring agent. As at the time of making this video, titanium dioxide has been banned as a food additive in the European Union due to concerns about its safety as a nanoparticle. It remains permitted in North American pet food. This is one more example of an ingredient that's in Canadian cat food, specifically because regulations here haven't caught up to the science. Your cat is not eating for flavor variety. Every ingredient in that bowl should serve a biological purpose. And artificial coloring doesn't come close. Takeaway: Morris the cat, the 9 Lives mascot, ran for president in 1988. He would not endorse what's in the bowl today. Number 1, Purina Fancy Feast, certain dry and gravy varieties. This one is going to surprise a lot of people, and that's exactly why it's number 1. Fancy Feast is considered by many Canadian cat owners to be a step up. It's priced a little higher than the pure budget options. It comes in elegant-looking cans. The branding feels luxurious. Many owners give it as a treat or even as daily food, feeling genuinely good about it. The wet pâté varieties of Fancy Feast are, according to many pet nutrition analysts, actually not terrible for cats. That's important context, but several of the gravy-based varieties and the dry Fancy Feast formulas tell a very different story. According to ingredient reviews published, the gravy formulas frequently list wheat gluten and modified food starch, thickeners that inflate the gravy texture while adding carbohydrates your cat doesn't need and can't properly process. More concerning, several Fancy Feast varieties contain carrageenan, a seaweed-derived additive used as a thickener that has been flagged by veterinary nutritionists and food safety researchers for its potential to cause gastrointestinal inflammation. According to industry reporting, carrageenan has been removed from human organic food standards by some international bodies due to health concerns. Yet it continues to appear in cat food sold in Canada. Add to this the sodium levels in Fancy Feast gravy products, which independent reviewers consistently flag as elevated. A real concern for cats with any kidney vulnerability. And given that kidney disease is one of the leading causes of death in cats over 7 years old, feeding a high-sodium diet daily is a risk that deserves serious thought. The issue isn't that Fancy Feast is entirely dangerous. The issue is that its reputation for quality significantly outruns the reality of what's in certain formulas. Canadian cat owners are paying a premium for a brand that, in several product lines, is delivering a nutritional profile that rivals the cheap options on the shelf below it. Takeaway: the fanciest packaging doesn't always contain the most nutritious food. Always flip the can and read the ingredients, not the marketing copy on the front. The 2 brands that are actually safe. Number 1 safe choice, Smack Pet Food. Smack is a genuinely exceptional Canadian brand produced in Winnipeg, Manitoba since 2008. It's a dehydrated raw formula, meaning the ingredients are gently air-dried at low temperatures to preserve nutrients without the high heat processing that destroys nutritional integrity in most kibble. According to the brand's published formulas, Smack uses certified organic human-grade meats, including whole bone-in chicken, wild BC salmon, and humanely raised pork, along with a short list of organic produce. There are no fillers, no synthetic dyes, no artificial preservatives, and no unnamed byproducts. Every ingredient is identified. Smack is consistently ranked among the top Canadian pet food brands by independent pet nutrition reviewers and cat owner communities across Canada. It's a premium product. The price reflects that. but it means you're feeding your cat what their body is actually designed to eat. It's available at select pet stores and online across Canada, including at Homes Alive Pets and Pet Value locations. Safe choice number 2, Canada Fresh by Petkind. Canada Fresh is a canned wet food brand produced by Petkind, a family-owned company based in British Columbia. According to the brand's published formulas and reviews by cats.com, Canada Fresh cans contain at least 95% fresh single-source meat or fish, with a limited, transparent ingredient list designed specifically for cats with sensitivities or allergies. The formulas are grain-free, gum-free, and made with Canadian-sourced proteins including beef, lamb, duck, and pork. There are no artificial additives, no mystery meat derivatives, and no carrageenan. The high moisture content makes it a strong choice for urinary and kidney health, exactly the opposite of what the dry budget brands on this list are doing to your cat. Canada Fresh is widely available across Canada through independent pet stores, Ren's Pets, and online retailers. So there you have it. 8 cat food brands that consumer complaints, ingredient analysis, and pet nutrition research suggest you should think twice about, and 2 genuinely trustworthy alternatives that prove Canadian cat owners don't have to choose between convenience and quality. Here's the single most powerful thing you can do the next time you're standing in the pet food aisle. Flip the bag or can over. Ignore the front. Ignore the branding, the happy cat photo, the complete and balanced badge. Look at the first 5 ingredients. If you see corn, soy, wheat middlings, or unnamed byproducts before any identifiable meat, put it down and keep looking. Your cat can't read that label, but now you can, and that changes everything. If this video helped you, hit subscribe so you never miss our next consumer investigation. And share this with another Canadian cat owner who needs to see it. Because this is the kind of information that pet food companies are counting on you never finding out.